Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for the Betterment iOS app. Betterment is a popular investment app that allows users to manage their investments and track their financial goals. To get the most out of the app, it is essential to follow some best practices. First, set clear financial goals. The Betterment app allows you to set specific goals such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. Setting clear goals helps you to stay focused and motivated. When setting goals, consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment amount. Next, diversify your portfolio. The Betterment app offers a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversifying your portfolio helps to reduce risk and increase potential returns. The app provides pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance and goals. Another best practice is to automate your investments. The Betterment app allows you to set up automatic deposits from your bank account. Automating your investments helps you to invest regularly and avoid emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio. The Betterment app provides regular updates on your portfolio performance. Reviewing your portfolio regularly helps you to stay on track and make adjustments as needed. The app also provides tax optimization strategies to help minimize tax liabilities. In addition, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. The Betterment app offers a range of tax-advantaged accounts, including IRAs and 401 kiloseconds. Using tax-advantaged accounts helps to reduce your tax liability and increase your investment returns. Finally, educate yourself on investing. The Betterment app provides a range of educational resources, including articles and videos. Educating yourself on investing helps you to make informed decisions and avoid common mistakes. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of the Betterment iOS app and achieve your financial goals. Remember to set clear goals. Diversify your portfolio. Automate your investments. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. And educate yourself on investing.